Training chaos right before an audit? Scattered spreadsheets, missed SOP acknowledgments, no single source of truth. That's not a documentation issue. It's a risk in regulated environments where training is considered proof of competence. Here's how you fix that. Get Qualityze, the AI-powered training management solution that connects role-based training, read and acknowledge for SOPs, and built-in assessments in one controlled system to prove competence. Every action is time-stamped, signed, and audit-traceable, with automated refreshers tied to roles. Onboard faster, close gaps in real time, and stop chasing training status. Request a demo to see how you can turn training into inspection-ready evidence on demand.